everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Disney Plus. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser or your Disney Plus application to get started. On a web browser, type in www.disneyplus.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of Disney Plus, you'll be able to see this interface. Click on the sign up button on the left hand side of the screen. In order to get to the sign up page, you'll need to enter your email address in order to start signing up or registering. Type in a valid email address that you have an access to in the first text box that you see. If you'd like to receive updates, special offers and other information from Disney Plus, check this little box. If not, leave it unchecked and go through the information and click the continue button. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email. Check your email inbox that you just typed in and enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to you. Open up the email received from Disney Plus, which includes a one-time passcode. Copy the passcode and paste it in the email address confirmation page. Click the continue button after you are done. On the next page, create a new password for your Disney Plus account. Click on the continue button. Now, in order to get your Disney Plus subscription, you'll need to provide your payment method. You can use a credit or debit card, PayPal, or Mercado Pago option. In my case, I'm gonna choose the credit or debit card. Enter the name on your debit or credit card, the card number, and the expiry date. Also enter the CVV code number that is available at the back of your credit card or your debit card, and select your card payment method, whether you are using a debit or a credit card. And now, if you want to store your payment information, check this little toggle button. Enable this toggle button. If not, leave it disabled. Now, in the last text box, enter your CPF number. And finally, click on agree and subscribe. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end and finish off your registration. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for your Disney Plus account and start streaming your favorite TV shows and movies. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.